If a food can be a tool, then there is no tool more useful than everyone's favorite, tuna salad. I love it because it's so easy to make. Who doesn't have a couple of tins of tuna in the cupboard knocking around when COVID's going to hit again? Just kidding. Tuna cans can stay forever in the cupboard. Great on camping trips, picnic trips, any kind of trip because they travel so well, and my checkbox, they are cheap. I remember as a starving traveling art student in Paris, and my one meal was a French baguette filled with tuna from a can. I swear, I would look forward to that one meal every day. It was my highlight, just as much as visiting the Notre Dame and the Louvre. Red onions. It can be any onions. I like red. Slice them whichever way you like. Any pickles will do. Classic is pickled cucumbers. Don't miss out this important ingredient. It gives a fabulous crunch and sharp, tangy bite. A secret weapon to any bold salad. If, like me, you like your food fearless and with attitude. Give it a good mix, then add hard-boiled eggs, depending how hungry you are. How many you think you can handle? Just don't be frugal. The saying goes, cook with a generous heart or not at all. Don't mince the hard-boiled eggs. They should be still recognizable in the salad. Notice I'm using my wrist. It's less of a mixing and more of a folding movement, so the chunks of ingredients stay chunks and not become mush. I need some greens, so I've decided some green onions snipped straight into the bowl with my trusty scissors. Scissors are so handy in the kitchen. They could be whatever greens you happen to have, or whatever's closest to you. Parsley, dill, coriander, arugula is very nice and peppery here. Something green, your choice. One scoop will hold all the intense flavors. Remember to taste and adjust for seasoning. Maybe some freshly ground black pepper or even more mayo. Tuna salads is a regular style in bento boxes, both mine and my kiddos. Lunch boxes for the whole family. Enjoy. Love to hear your comments and thoughts. Till next time, happy cooking. If you enjoyed any of my recipes, please hit the subscribe button. You have no idea how much it helps me. Click the like and see you next time. Happy cooking!